Dad already starting to stack them up. Ah, dang it. Better catch you some more. I got them on the treble. Alright, let's get it. Dad done popped another one. Yep. Oh yeah. Alright, let's see if we can catch some more. My dad working them up. Ah, that one is a little bit bigger. Maybe a little fatter. About the same size though. Ah, dang. Getting them. Yep, Dad got another one. Bringing them in. Been croakers. All of them been croakers. There's another croaker. Pretty good size too. Dad with another one.
Another one?
Dang. Killing them out here.
Hold on. I didn't even realize you had caught one there.
We're gonna have some damn sushi up in here. Alright, Kim folks, it's night time. We're getting a fire started. And I want to show you the folks camper and all their little lights. Look at this. So on this Sport Trek, they have a blue front cap light, and they've got blue lights on each corner in the front and the rear of the camper. Let's see, look at that. That's dope. Hell yeah. So that's pretty cool. Then they also got your blue lights on your speakers, and then they've got a orange over the door light. They also, there's lights in the canopy to where when you pull the canopy out, you can put the lights on, and it's an LED strip, and it lights up the whole underneath the canopy area. So really cool, man. But I think what we're gonna do is just hang out around the fire tonight, and then I'll get with y'all in the morning. So we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, Kim folk. Today is the second day. Today's Friday, day after Thanksgiving. We already been doing some fishing, caught some more croaker, a couple trout, but not big enough to keep, a couple catfish. So, and now Dad is gonna be making breakfast on the griddle. So that's what we got going on now. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get after that, and then my brother's actually on his way too, so that'd be cool. He's gonna come fishing for a little while, him and his kids and Lucy, and so they'll be here after a little bit too. So it's gonna be good stuff, man. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. So it did start raining on us today, this morning a little bit, but I mean, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that's some rolling thunder right there. But over here is nice and clear, so hopefully that comes this way and this goes that way. So hell yeah, still having a great time. We out here again doing some fishing up in here, and we got some more of the fam coming through. Let's see what they got going on over here. Let's see. My sister-in-law getting crabs.
Hi.
Brother's rigging shit up. This little girl, what you doing, little girl?
Fishing.
Have you caught anything?
Big crab and a small crab, but
they jumped off. Well, make sure you tell me when you get another one so I can put it on camera. What you doing, little D?
Trying to catch something.
Where's yours at?
Caught something. It's over there.
Where?
Like right there.
He's got another bob. He got a bobber. He's bobber fishing too.
Yeah.
You ain't caught anything? Not yet.
Not yet.
And then Pops is over there still doing his thing.
Yep.
He did catch another croaker, so he got that on there. But still ain't caught no reds or no black drums yet, so hopefully
we ain't caught a monster yet.
yeah, ain't caught a monster yet, so hopefully that'll be coming soon. So once they catch some more stuff, I'll let y'all check it out. Well, kinfolk, look at this. We ended up pulling out the we got a stringer with catfish and croaker on it, and look what happened to the, they done bit that joker. I guess it was a little shark or something. Golly, time to use it for cut bait. Dad coming up strong with the croakers again.
Croaker run.
Croaker run. Look what my niece caught. Get it, girl. Here, hold it. Hold it right there. Nice. Look at that one. Hell yeah.
Yalla.
Sweet. Good job. Yeah, it is. Hell yeah.
Fish.
Good job. You better go show Papa. Oh, Justin got one too. Justin got one too. They on now. They on. What you got? A little croaker too. Woo!
I knew something was biting it, so I kept
Get it,
pulling
girl.
in.
That's awesome. Let me call your papa. Ooh, there you go, finally catching fish up in here. Let's see what you got there, D. Dang, boy. How you catch that?
I don't know.
So I think everybody's almost caught a fish, ain't it? Hell yeah. So already a good day of fishing, man. So let's continue on. There we go, kinfolk. Another camping trip in the books. Super excited that my mom and dad finally got a camper and came out with us this time. And my brother and them too, man. So they did some pretty good fishing as well. So that was awesome. So I guess until next time, kinfolk, I know we're gonna try to plan coming New Year's as well. So y'all be ready for that. So until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.